In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a form in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and go to the workspace where you want to collect responses. The first thing you need to do is choose the correct board. This part is important because every form submission will feed directly into that board as a new item. So before moving on, take a moment to make sure you're in the right place and that this is the board you want to use for tracking incoming information. Once you're on the right board, add the columns you need for form answers. Think of each column as a field that someone will fill out in your form. For example, you might want a text field for a name, a status column for request type, a date column for deadlines, or a long text field for extra details. Setting up your columns properly at the beginning makes the form much easier to manage later, and it also helps keep all responses organized in a way that's useful for your team. After your columns are ready, click Add View. This is where you can create different ways of interacting with the same board. From the available options, choose Form View. Monday.com will automatically turn your board structure into a form, using the columns you just created as the basis for the questions. Next, customize the questions and layout. This is the step where you make the form feel clear and user-friendly. You can adjust question labels so they sound more natural, reorder fields to improve the flow, and make sure the form is easy for someone to complete without confusion. A clean layout can make a big difference, especially if you're sending the form to clients, teammates, or external users. As you review it, think about whether the order of questions makes sense and whether each field is easy to understand at a glance. When everything looks good, copy the form link and share it. This link is what people will use to access and submit the form. Before sending it out widely, it's a good idea to test it yourself once, just to confirm the form behaves the way you expect, and the answers are going into the correct columns. Finally, check incoming responses on the board. Each time someone submits the form, their information should appear automatically as a new item. This lets you track, review, and manage submissions directly inside Monday.com without having to enter anything manually. And that's how to create and share a form in Monday.com.